Welcome back to Khushi's Mega Health Program. This is the time to reveal the truth, the secret hidden for many years. You are none other than God, Shiva, Paramatma, sachitananda, nirakar, parabrahma, residing in this shrine temple called physical body. You are the creator of all this universe. You are one with this universe. Neither you have taken a birth nor you have death. You are ajanama, nirakar, amar, parabrahma. Due to ignorance, we are all indulged in this physical world with a body consciousness and think that we are taking birth and we are dying. So know the truth that the body is only the vehicle of this soul which perishes after some time, so that the soul can achieve higher consciousness in higher planes. As told by Shankaracharya, Shivoham, 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 Manobuddhyahankara chittani dhavak, न जश्रोत्र चित्ते न जग्राण नेत्रे न जव्योम भूमिर्न तेजो न वायुः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायु न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशा न वात्पानिपादं न जोपस्थवायु चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न मे द्वेषरागौ न मे लोभमोहं मनो नैव मे नैव मात्सर्यभावः न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्षः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञा अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 न मृत्यु न शङ्का न मे जातिभेदः पिता नैव मे नैव माता न जन्मा न बन्धुं न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकाररूपो विभुत्वाच्च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतं नैव मुक्तिर्न मेयः चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूप शिवोऽहं 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 Shivoham, 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 Shivoham. Meaning of this: neither am I mind, nor intelligence or ego, neither am I organs of hearing, ears, nor that of tasting, tongue, smelling, nose, or seeing, eyes. Neither am I the sky, nor the earth, neither the fire, nor the air. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. Neither am I the vital breath, nor the five vital air. Neither am I the seven ingredients of the body, nor the five sheaths of the body. Neither am I the organ of speech, nor the organs for holding, hand, movement, feet, or excretion. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. Neither do I have hatred nor attachment, neither greed nor infatuation. Neither do I have pride nor feelings of envy and jealousy. I am not within the bounds of dharma, righteousness, artha, wealth, kama, desire, and moksha, liberation, the four purusharthas of life. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. Neither am I bound by merits nor sins, neither by worldly joys nor by sorrows. Neither am I bound by sacred hymns nor by sacred places, neither by sacred scriptures nor by sacrifice. I am neither enjoyment, experience, nor an object to be enjoyed, experienced, nor the enjoyer, experiencer. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. Neither am I bound by death and its fear, nor by rules of caste and its distinction. Neither do I have father and mother, nor do I have birth. Neither do I have relations nor friends, neither spiritual teacher nor disciple. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am without any variation and without any form. I am present everywhere, the underlying substratum of everything, and behind all sense organs. Neither do I get attached to anything, nor get freed from anything. I am the ever pure blissful consciousness. I am Shiva, I am Shiva, the ever pure blissful consciousness. So friends, this is the truth that we are the blissful, eternal conscious soul, Shiva, nirakar, sachitananda, ajanama, paramatma. So forget all your fears, sorrows, all your sins, all your tensions, all your attachments, and take care of the shrine temple called physical body to migrate to higher level of consciousness by gaining knowledge and have universal consciousness. Thank you very much. I'll be back with some more healthy tips. Till then, goodbye.